Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button as well as turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Now today's video is What's New Wednesday, and today I'm going to be doing a live, well not really live, I'm going to be doing a mask. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a charcoal clay bubble mask from Sooae. So this is the mask. Now it is a refreshing pore care mask. This all-in-one mask instantly purifies troubled skin with the combined power of activated bicotine charcoal, kaolin and bentonite clay, and oxygen bubbles. Active bicotine, sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I'll probably Google it later and then I'll know how to pronounce it. So active bicotine, powerful enough to purify water, is a renowned anti-inflammatory known to refine and brighten skin. So I've got a few little problem areas here on my face. So I've got some on my forehead, right here in my hairline, just little things. My face is not really liking me this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this charcoal clay bubble mask for you guys, and we're gonna see how it applies. I'm gonna talk about how it feels, and then I'm also gonna talk about afterwards how my face feels and the benefits from it for my face. What I can see, that is. Directions. Before opening pouch, press down on pouch with palms in sweeping motion from top to bottom. Okay. Press down on pouch from top to bottom. Is this like activated or something? Okay, so I'm pressing from top to bottom, getting it all mixed in. Once that's done, after thoroughly cleansing skin, apply an adequate amount evenly on dry or damp face, avoiding eyes and mouth. Okay, so my face has been washed. It is dry right now, it's not wet, so I'm going to be applying it dry to my face. So when oxygen bubbles form, wet fingers and massage gently in upward and outward circular motions, starting from center of the face outward. Rinse off with warm water, follow with regular skincare. Okay, let's do this. So I've already done the whole top to bottom with my palm, getting it all mixed in there. Washed my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this bad boy. If it'll open. Strength. Is that as far as it goes? Let's try to, there we go. I just got caught down a seam. First I'm gonna apply this so that my hair doesn't get any mask in it. There we go. Now my hair is back and out of my face. So I'm just squeezing this product upward towards the hole that I just made. So as you guys can see right here, it's coming out and it's got this like light gray sort of texture to it. I'm just gonna take some of it on my finger and I'm gonna go ahead and just start smoothing it onto my face. Got a little bit in my hair, but oh well. Keep squeezing that bad boy out. Oh, you can already see it bubbling up. That's pretty cool. This reminds me of the charcoal bubble mask that I got a while ago on Amazon. It doesn't really give much time for application before it starts bubbling, that's for sure. Because like, I got some spots that I would have liked to have covered, so this is a very time sensitive product, that's for sure. So get right along the jawline. Is that all the product? There's the last little bit. Just getting it there where I want it. Okay, so now that it is all over my fingers, I'm just gonna go rinse this off my fingers quickly, and then I'll talk to you guys about how this feels. Alrighty, so I just washed it off my fingers, and this has definitely puffed up. It really, I got some on my eye there. Oops. So it definitely reminds me of the bubble charcoal mask. That was like the big hit a while ago. Everyone was like buying it and using it. I even did a review of this bubble mask. Not this one, but a different bubble mask way back on my channel. If you guys want to see that, I'll just link it up there in the iCards above. But so far, I can feel the bubbles like forming on my skin. I can actually hear them like not like sizzling. I don't know how to explain this. Like I can hear it aerating on my skin as it's like puffing up and foaming. Like look at this. Look at how much it has puffed up. That is so cool. I've always been fascinated with these charcoal masks just because like they puff up and they make you look like a cloud. It's amazing. And oxygen bubbles form, wet fingers, and massage gently. So I think they are just about formed. There's some here that haven't completely gotten in there yet just because it was like the last bit that I had put on my skin. I definitely feel some weird tingling on my skin up here in my forehead. Look at how it's like lifting my eyebrows away from my skin. Look at that. Can you see that? It's so weird. Oh, ah! I just sniffed up bubbles. Oh, look at that. It's like cracking right there. Not really cracking, but deflating. Okay, so as I said, I've got some weird kind of pins and needles feeling here in my brow zone. Right here, it feels weird too, kind of like an itchy feeling, but I think that's just the bubbles popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start, what did they say? So they said start from the inside and massage it outwards. Woo, look at those bubbles pop. Okay. So even, oh my God, there's bubbles everywhere, girl. So when I'm massaging it, even the stuff that I've already gone over is rebubbleizing. There, right there to my hairline. Can you guys hear these bubbles? Like, listen. Like, as I'm massaging it, you can hear the bubbles popping. Okay, it doesn't say how long I'm supposed to massage this. It's just wet fingers, massage gently in upwards and outward circular motion, starting from the center of the face. Then rinse with water and follow with regular skincare. Okay. I think that's about good for the massaging. It's kind of cool how as I'm massaging it, the parts that I've already massaged are like bubbling back up. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face and I will be right back. All right, so I am back. My face is washed. Yes, I know my face is super red now, but that's just because of my mild rosacea on my cheeks. Any like time I press on my face or touch my face on my cheeks, they get really, really red, and just like warm water when I wash my face also makes it really red, so that's frustrating. But overall, I really like how this mask felt on my skin. Like, my skin feels pretty smooth. I think the pores on my nose here are a little smaller, and on my forehead. But overall, my skin, it really does feel super smooth and soft. Like, it almost feels like super hydrated. So I am pleasantly surprised with this mask and what it has done for my skin. I hate how red my skin is right now, but like I said, it's just my mild rosacea and just my hands in contact with my face causing it to get red. But pretty good mask for the most part. So that was my little review on this Sooae charcoal clay bubble mask. I have a bunch more masks from Sooae that I'm going to be trying, so I'm pretty sure every Wednesday I'm just gonna do a face mask, or maybe I should do it on Mondays. Should I do masked Mondays, or should I do the What's New Wednesday with a mask? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think I should do. Should I do masked Mondays and do a face mask, or keep it on my What's New Wednesday reviews? I'd like to hear what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below. But that's all I have for you guys today. Clean face, looks smooth, looks plump and fresh. Really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to go in the description bar down below to check out links and coupon codes and all of that fun stuff. There's no affiliate links, so all of those coupon codes are for you guys. It's just to help you with money, like give you a discount. Who doesn't love to save money? So check those out down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye.